everybody. I'm Butter, in case you haven't seen it before. Hello. And today we're going to do another art tutorial. So yeah, let's get to it. PS is just for fun, okay? No need for special skills. And if you do, congratulations. You're a weirdo and a creator, just like me. So here we have is a pre-made sketch, but it's a spam musubi. So we're gonna be coloring that, and that's what we're gonna learn today. Is all about coloring, which would be easy for everyone else, but if you want to get a little advanced and a little fancy, yeah, this is basically the video that I'm trying to show you. So, and here we have is what we're gonna be needing. All my collection of used color pencils. Then we're gonna be using alcohol markers, which is, you can see right here. That's what we're going to be using for most of our coloring. So yeah, so we got alcohol markers, color pencils, and a sketch. I'm just going to start building up the layers by using a lighter color, which is right here, if you can see here. That's what the color I'm using on the outside, and then I can use these color pencils to darken it. So I'll probably use this one right here. Here we are, we're going to do our color base. And what I like to do is going on the outside first before going to the inside. And once I finish doing that, I can go ahead and fill it inside. Like that. Sometimes it will dry out, but that's why I go slow sometimes. So here's our first color. Okay, once you finish with the first color, you're going to take your pencil and you're going to go to the outside. And if you can see here, I'm just lightly graining it. And this is going to help you with the extra layers. So this is the second layer. I will probably darken this here. Okay, finished with the second layer. Now on to the third layer. Third layer, you're gonna get another color. It could be a different one. And that is going to basically create this. It's going to basically create this sort of shadow or shading that's different from this one up here. So I might use this color right here. So as you can see here, where we use the color pencils, it's going to leak into it and spread it out. It's like you're doing watercolor. And then I can use that opposite green right here. And then you blend it all together like that. See it? That's what I like about alcohol markers. You can actually blend them if you know what you're doing. And now we have two different colors. Now, if I were to do the same on the side, I would just have to be very careful because we don't want it too much. Okay, that I forgot to sharpen some of my pencils, so sorry, please hold while I sharpen my pencils. Okay, now that we have it somewhat sharpened, I'm gonna go use this color pencil, and if I can zoom you over here, that's just gonna give, see that? And sometimes you can rub it or smudge it. You can always repeat this step over and over again until you're satisfied with the color that you're looking for. Okay, I'm gonna be zooming or speeding up the rest of the process. So yeah. So time lapse it and then I'll show you the finished results. Okay, good. And okay, there we go. So this is basically it. So as here, let me put you in zoom. I'll bring the camera over. So as you can see here, this is how all the layers come together. So thank you for watching this. I hope this helps, and yeah, let me know in the comments down below to see more art or more chibi or kawaii look. I'm just gonna finish this. You can find me on Instagram or probably any other social media. So yeah, bye. Hey, cool.